Yeah.
I mean, it full on just snapped it. It's not. But the nitrous is installed.
Alright, what are we doing?
I'll bring it in here. Ah, that's better. Alright, right here. Yeah, you see this? Yeah. This is not loose.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's
Always
not
something.
fine.
Always something. Because,
So, see, it's all wet.
yeah, go look at what we were going to pull.
Oh, yeah.
And then it just decided to say no.
Yeah, it's only because we had something on the trailer.
Yeah, it's only because it had to do something.
But we're hopping to it.
Yep.
Water pump time.
Or
Don't worry, I just screwed up the gasket.
yeah, so anyway, we're still doing the water pump on this thing.
It's dark in 4 days
It's
later.
dark. It's 30-ish degrees with a wind chill.
I did break the gasket.
And you know, I thought about getting gasket maker for that reason, and I am cold as heck.
I brought some.
It's too cold for
Did you?
RTV to work.
Oh, it's not that cold. The block is cold.
The block is also ice cold. We got dowel pins, so this will be fine.
Let me see it again. Really? I just bought that.
Well, it's got to fold here too.
Well, shout out to Napa for actually getting me the part.
It's made like
Whether it's going to go in here nice or not, we're going to find out. Anyway, I'm cold, and we're going to try to make this work.
It's going well.
What are you doing?
I got it. I did not get it.
Flip it around. You see that little, yeah, flip it over.
thick part.
Just like that.
Look, dude, you gave me a broken gasket.
I did not give you nothing of the sort.
It was
If this thing
broken
leaks,
inside.
it's
I pulled
on
it out of
you.
the bag and it was broke. What are you talking
Bull. Napa, thank you for sponsoring us. Sorry we're retarded. And we got Zach.
cold.
Yeah, it's cold. The wind's blowing. Luckily, the International has this nice fiberglass hood that's keeping us somewhat warm. And I'm going to help John because this is going absolutely poorly after we've sat in my truck for the past 20 minutes.
Drinking beer.
Anyway, all right, guys. We'll see you back when this thing is puking fluid.
Yeah. Let it sit overnight.
This has taken all of 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I went and grabbed the bolts
Well, if you grabbed them faster, it
out
wouldn't
of
be
the
a
truck.
problem.
Out of the truck. It took 2 seconds to go from the truck door to this. It's in 2 pieces.
It's about to be in 3 if we're not careful.
One of y'all go grab some daggone RTV.
Do we actually have any? I think we do.
There's some around there somewhere.
All right.
Y'all go grab
Y'all figure this
RTV.
out. I'll go get some RTV. I'll be right back.
I'm going to start doing fuel filters. Or oil filters or something.
All right, good enough. I'll be back.
This is awesome. Why do we gotta break everything?
All right, I'm back with RTV.
Yep, and I'm not cold anymore, so we're doing great.
There you go. Did you do the filters yet?
Oh, I didn't do nothing. I sat in my truck and got warm.
Okay.
Yep.
Next steps.
Anyway, John is now back with, you know, you're supposed to cut that.
I'll bit the tip off. That's probably good enough, right?
No, I was thinking you were just gonna full on just start
Yeah,
squeezing the
That's
tube.
what we're gonna do. Nothing like orange high temp RTV, which by the way, we should not put coolant in this tonight if we want this to seal.
We're getting to coolant tonight.
Okay, good enough.
I figured I'm thinking tomorrow is a good idea for probably getting to this. I was really
You tell me this as I'm putting the RTV on?
well, I was really debating my life choices earlier.
You're telling me this right now?
Well, we're gonna put it on now, but
Ain't got much of a choice. I mean, I guess you could put the gasket on it and it just sticks to the gasket, you know?
There is some theory in that we could try.
yeah, we're not going to. We're just gonna bolt it up and then call it a night.
All
Cause
right, well then I will.
Spicy fingers.
Yeah, so here's something neat for the viewers. Do you guys, well, this is something neat for you guys too. Y'all know what the RT stands for in RTV?
really tired of doing your job.
Really toxic.
Both good guesses, but neither of them are correct. Do you know what RT stands for? Do you guys know what RTV stands for? It's not what you think. I'm
Gasket maker.
Gasket maker.
Readily available gasket maker.
Both good thoughts.
Yeah, no, I ain't got a clue.
You guys really don't know?
Yeah.
Really?
And you know how much I care right now?
Oh, you're going to care once I explain to you what it means. Room temperature volatility.
Ah.
Oh, well,
So it's only
So,
volatile.
what are you
room
talking about?
temperature.
This is room temperature in Alaska, man.
So what's the temperature right now?
It's
Last
like-
I
it's a
looked was 30 degrees.
brisk 75.
That's what it's meant for.
This is on some beach right now, man. Somewhere.
Somewhere.
We're having some changes in latitude.
But RTV does not really work
Room
good
temperature
unless it is
volatility.
above 60 degrees outside.
Well, then that's why we're supposed to start the truck. Don't worry, they got dry rot on them too. They're fine. That's
Well,
that's
this is-
extra traction.
People don't understand. You can't let the RTV stay on your hands. You just kind of wipe it on the tires. Let it go.
Yeah, I can't wait because this is your side that we work on, so
know,
you're
that's
gonna
why
get
I'm-
covered in
I'm
RTV.
pissed. I'm pissed.
Where'd I put the bolts?
There's some right there next to my beer.
I think that's it.
All right.
Anyway, so it's cold. John says no more gasket, and anyway, John, put it on there somewhat level. Is that the right way?
It better be.
We'll find out when we try to put the bolts in.
I got one dowel in.
Ow!
Hold it there while I grab these bolts.
Why do I gotta hold it? It's sitting there good enough. That looks good enough.
Feels like it's, well, that's as far as I can get.
Yep, it's good enough. Yeah, no, up one. No, other way. Your side.
It's not up.
That's down, left, right, north, east.
Kind of threads.
Yeah.
There we go. Hey, yeehaw.
I'll let you do this. I'm just gonna film.
Yeehaw, brother. Hey, I'm a diesel mechanic.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, we'll show you that this is bolted up, and then we'll show you a nice sunny day. All right, guys. Bye.
Peace.
Hold on. Sponsor to Michelob for keeping us warm. It's not beer. It's hot hands in a can. I'm gonna make myself feel good, and we're gonna grab this thing. Oh, dear God, the 500-pound weight.
Can he do it? Can he do it? Oh. Nothing like pine needles. Hey, there you go. Good enough.
Look at that. No more wiggle.
Yeah,
And it spins
even
somewhat
better.
nicely.
Full send. We're good to go, bub.
So we just got done putting oil in it. It's windy. Oil is at like 20 degrees because it's like forming molasses into it. So we're gonna crank it over, let it get some oil pressure, and then we're gonna fire it up.
Angry.